sexy, salon, black American princess. I'm probably posted in the crib lighting incense. Lit bitch, I could get you touched in an instance. If you ain't black, stay the fuck out the business. Bow.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So I just want to jump straight into it. Real short, real quick video about how I do my nails. So I have about maybe 3 or 4 different kits, so I'm just kind of using what comes with them. I don't have any dehydrated, so I use rubbing alcohol, and these are some of the tools. So I start off just by making sure my nails are clean and prepped, ready to apply the nails. I did have a little leftover glue, so I just kind of want to make sure like the base is good, because once the base is good, that's how the nails last longer. So first off, after I clean my nails up, I just went ahead with the rubbing alcohol and then just wiped off like any excess, like little nail dust and everything like that. Now I really love how these nail kits are affordable and I can use them multiple times. So here I just go ahead and lay out all the nails that I'll be using just to make the process a lot quicker. Yeah, I literally have the black French tip, white French tip. I have like some leopard print nails, everything. Like, it's so easy. So I apply a little bit of the glue. I go ahead and press it down and then cure it under my light for about 60 seconds. And I basically just repeat this step for all of my nails. I feel like this is the only thing that takes the longest to me. Also, the lamp that comes with these kits is a lot smaller. So the one that you're seeing here is the one I bought separately because I needed one that was bigger. Literally, once you have the nails attached and they feel secure, that is literally the most tedious part. So the rest is a piece of cake. Okay, now we're just gonna add a coat of their builder gel, and this is why I got a larger like lamp, because I wanted to do one hand at a time. So of course, just apply a coat to each nail, and then I went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds again. Yeah, what I love about this brand is like, I just feel like they're constantly leveling up. When I bought my first kit, I want to say it was back in February of last year, I had the white French tips. I don't feel like they had such a variety of options as they do now. Like, I think maybe a few months ago they just had a collab with long hair, pretty nails, and I got a kit from that as well. It's like, it's just so many different options to try. Now this is how it looks after the first coat, and then of course I'm just gonna go in with the top coat next and then literally do the exact same thing as before. This is really for the baddies on a budget. Like, anytime you see me with my nails done in the last year, I promise you I did them at home by myself, real DIY girl. And also, this stuff is not necessary. I got this nail cuticle oil in a kit and I want to use it, and I feel like it gives me like that professional, like I just left the nail salon glow. But y'all, times is really hard. Everybody cannot afford to consistently go to the nail shop. I know I can't. So I just learned to do them at home, and thanks to BTArtbox providing like kits like this, it just makes it so much easier. Okay, y'all, this is the final result, and go ahead and like the video if you done made it this far, and go ahead and leave a comment down below too. And also, if you want to see more videos like this in the future, then click the subscribe button. And I really appreciate anybody who's watching this video and has made it all the way to the end, and I will see y'all in the next one.